Hello, Songbird. Over the years, I have shared with you so many tips on how to sing in head voice with power. And today I have compiled my best 4. Enjoy. How do we actually lift the soft palate? There's actually a few different things that we could do to activate that. And I'm going to show you those few different things because for some people, different things will activate it more readily. And for others, it won't. So I'm going to show you a few and then you can play around with it and find the one that works most for you, okay? All right. So one way that we can actually think about lifting the soft palate or activating that lift in the soft palate is to think about that feeling you get when you sneeze, when you're about to sneeze, when you go, achoo, achoo, right? Just try that with me. Just go, achoo, achoo, right? There's this, if you really observe what's going on, you should feel a sense of that back, the back of the roof of your mouth just sort of lift up a little bit, that sort of pre-sneeze bit. So that's one way that you can sort of, activate that feeling of the lift in the soft palate, as if you're about to sneeze. So it's kind of like when we talked about the pre-yawn stretch, as if you're about to yawn, or this is as if you're about to sneeze, okay? So that's one way. Another way that you can think about it is by saying a K sound like this. See, if you do that and you really observe how it feels, you should feel a sense again of that soft palate lift in the back of the in the back of the roof of the mouth. So you try that again, and try and sort of create that feeling just before you sing. And another way to think about a soft palate lift is simply thinking about the feeling of when you laugh. So when you go, right? That's another way in which you can feel the soft palate lift.
Now, once we have the soft palate lift in place, it's time to actually do some vocalizing, okay? So remember the soft palate lift though. So as we do these vocalizing, I want you to prepare your throat with the soft palate lift. That's going to super help you to get that clear, strong tone in your head voice. So the exercise is this. It's a hoo, hoo, hoo. So as if you're an owl, we're going to sing 5 notes descending. It goes like this. Hoo, 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 hoo. Ooh. So there's a little H at the front, guys, but I don't want you to be too loud on the H. I don't want you to be like that, all right? So don't let all the breath come out. Don't get breathy on it. Just very, very softly. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, let's go. And ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a like, a subscribe, and ring the bell. Then you'll always know when I drop new videos and other people can actually find the channel and learn how to sing as well. Now, if you'd love to master singing in your head voice and also vocal technique in general, why don't you go and check out something very, very special that I have created for you. Songbird. If you want more than just bite-sized lessons on random singing topics and you truly would like to have a step-by-step process to follow that would help you master your voice in the most quickest way possible, if you would like to learn not just what exercises to practice, but in what order, in which exact range, and the best way to progress them each day, each week, each month, each year, and beyond. If you would like to be given specific daily workouts that you could work on every single day, being guided as to how long you should practice each day, and when it's time to actually move on to more difficult workouts, if you want to progress from where you are as a singer now to becoming the singer that you've always dreamed of, then I invite you, Songbird, go and check out the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy, where you can get access to all of my vocal training programs. Plus, I add new content every single month. And guess what? I want to let you check all that out for free for the next 7 days. I've made this the most affordable and, dare I say, comprehensive and best library of vocal training ever. There's my foundational course, The Vocal Revolution, which teaches you everything you need to know about vocal technique and takes you from beginner to advanced. There's also my incredible supplementary courses, for example, my How to Sing in Mixed Voice programs, where you can zero in on a particular topic or a particular part of your voice. There's the webinars and masterclasses where you get an intensive 30-minute to 90-minute booster on a particular focused subject. There's also the guided exercises and extras, where I give you intensive boosters, but in 5 to 15 minutes also on a specific topic. And there is so much more. All of this to help you get grounded, take flight, and sing. Songbird, I'm always believing in you, and I just can't wait to see you inside the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy. Click on the link to start your 7-day free trial now.
Think forward. A huge mistake that many singers make, creating breathiness in their high notes, is a tendency to sing on the throat or backward, like this. Got you shackled in my embrace, I'm latching on to you. Instead, you need to think forward. Imagine the notes are coming out of your eyes in a forward straight line to the opposite wall. Here's an exercise that will help. Sing the treble where you're actually finding that you're really breathy in the high notes on a nye 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 like this. So the nye nye brings all the sound really forward. So now sing the lyrics in the forward nye nye place. Imagining the sound coming out of your eyes in a forward straight line all the way to the opposite wall. Just like you did when you were singing the song on a nye nye. So like this. Got you shackled in my embrace, I'm latching on to you.
So we are actually going to pretend to be opera singers for a little bit, okay? You see, when we're singing in our head voice, right, I actually find that using classical technique is so good for our contemporary singing because if you listen to opera singers, they all sound amazingly strong. They do not sing in weak, breathy head voices, do they? No, they do not. And often they don't even have a microphone. They're just using all their body, their breath support, breath management, really amazing technique. And so I love to bring classical training into helping you to sing well in your head voice, okay? So what we're going to do is we're all going to pretend to be opera singers. All right, put your opera diva hat on, everybody, okay? We're going to do an operatic ooh on a 5th slide. So it goes like this. Ooh. You see how I've got lots of vibrato. I'm just like pretending to be an opera diva. So everybody come along with me now. Ooh. Now really exaggerate it. Ooh. Ooh. Now you see how my jaw's really long? That is super important. Hey, do you want to learn more about how to sing high notes powerfully? Why don't you go check out this video here? It's going to seriously help you. And Songbird, you know that I am always believing in you, so why don't you get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.